A political firestorm, Trump's DOJ speech sparks controversy. In a speech delivered at the Department of Justice on Friday, former President Donald Trump launched a scathing critique of the media, accusing major news networks and publications of functioning as political operatives. Trump insisted that such influence on judges and the legal system must be illegal, and vowed to hold accountable those he claimed were responsible for wrongs and abuses. The speech, laden with grievances and attacks on the press, drew significant reactions. Legal analysts and political commentators expressed deep concern over Trump's remarks, with many arguing that his rhetoric crossed a dangerous line. Former DOJ prosecutor Mimi Rocker noted that while Trump has long called for the prosecution of his perceived political adversaries, doing so within the halls of the Justice Department represented a new escalation. "It's distressing to see him advocate for political prosecutions that lack legal basis," Rocker stated. "Investigations should be driven by facts and evidence, not personal vendettas." Trump's speech also underscored a broader shift in the relationship between the executive branch and the Justice Department. Historically, presidents have maintained a level of separation from direct legal proceedings, respecting the DOJ's independence. However, Trump's approach has shattered that norm, using the department as a stage for political messaging rather than reinforcing the rule of law. Ezra Klein, a political analyst, weighed in on the broader implications. Trump is systematically attempting to control and weaponize federal institutions, starting with the DOJ and security agencies, Klein observed. Republicans understand this strategy and support it, while Democrats recognize it but struggle to counteract it effectively. The concern extends beyond government institutions. Chris Matthews, a veteran journalist, highlighted how Trump's rhetoric is shaping public perception through relentless messaging. Every day, Trump's narrative floods television screens, social media, and conversations across the country. It's an ongoing campaign, an education program that reinforces his position to his base, Matthews noted. This isn't just political theater, it's strategic indoctrination. Another alarming aspect is the media's precarious position. Trump's comments signaled a direct threat to journalism, an institution meant to hold leaders accountable. With mounting pressure and public skepticism fueled by Trump's persistent attacks, the role of the press as the fourth estate faces unprecedented challenges. Looking ahead, analysts predict that Trump's next target may be the judiciary. Speculation is growing that Supreme Court Justice Amy Coney Barrett could be in his crosshairs, as he seeks to dismantle any legal opposition. Trump is prepared to go after the courts with full force, a commentator remarked. His goal is to ensure no institution stands in his way. As Trump continues his campaign-style rhetoric, the question remains, how will institutions, political figures, and the public respond? For now, the battle lines are drawn, and the consequences could shape the nation's legal and political landscape for years to come.